So guys, this will be a quick analysis on our gold for the day. So you can see that gold is literally this is the trend right here. So we are in a downtrend of gold. So this is very much a downtrend move. You can see that gold is literally trending to the side. We're having a series of lower low, especially when you go to your forward time frame, easily see the movement. Now take a look at this moment, right? We will be having a multiple rejection. You can see that market has tapped our 10 period simple movement. So with such a movement, we should be expecting market to reject and drop. So this is to tell you that a bearish move for the day is what we are expecting on the gold. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. Take a look at it, right? So market has been to reject from this level. Now it has tapped this level. So we'll be expecting a rejection on this level. Now let's go down to our 1 hour time frame. So you can see that market is already dropping on our 1 hour time frame. You can see right our first low, and this is the lower high. This is our next lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, our next movement on gold will be another drop that will form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we're expecting gold